Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Srishti Tutorial for Maths. Now we are discussed about the important multiple choice questions physics for NEET, JEE, CET and all competitive exams. Question number 1. Which effect explains the red color of the sun at sunset? The right answer is option C, scattering of light. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to measure very small electric current? The right answer is option C, galvanometer. And question number 3. Which law explains the rise of oil in a lamp wick? The right answer is option C, capillary action. And the question number 4. Which force keeps planets in orbit around the sun? Right answer is option C, gravitational force. Question number 5. Which radiation has the longest wavelength? The right answer is option D, radio waves. Which radiation has the shortest wavelength? Right answer is option A, gamma rays. And the question number 7. Which metal is used in making lightning conductors? So the right answer is option A, copper. And the next question. Which law explains why we wear seat belts? The right answer is option D, Newton's first law. And the question number 9. Which principle is used in hydraulic lifts? Right answer is option B, Pascal's law. And question number 10. Which planet has the strongest gravitational field? The right answer is option C, Jupiter. And the question number 11. Which scientist explained the photoelectric effect? Right answer is option C, Albert Einstein. And next question number 12. Which scientist proposed the wave nature of electrons? Simply the right answer is Louis D. Broglie. And question number 13. Which law states that current is directly proportional to voltage? The right answer is Ohm's law, option B. And next question number 14. What is the speed of sound in air at room temperature? The right answer is option B, 343 meter per second. Question number 15. Which instrument is used to measure potential difference? Very nice answer, that is option C, voltmeter. And next question number 16. The effect when an electric current passes through a conductor producing heat is called? The right answer is option B, Joule heating effect. And next question number 17. The energy stored in an object due to its position or condition is called? The right answer is option C, potential energy. And next question number 18. What happens to the speed of light when it enters a denser medium? Right answer is the option D, it decreases. And next question number 19. What is the unit used to measure magnetic field strength? The right answer is option B, Tesla. And next question number 20. The property of a body to resist a change in its state of motion is called? Right answer is option A, inertia. Question number 21. The region around a magnet where its effect can be felt is called? Right answer is option B, magnetic field. And next question number 22. Which type of mirror is used by dentists to examine teeth? Very nice answer, that is option C, concave mirror. And next question number 23. Which color of light has the highest frequency? Right answer is option D, violet. And next question number 24. Which phenomenon proves that light is transverse wave? Right answer is option C, polarization. And next question number 25. Which phenomenon causes a pencil in water to appear bent? Right answer is option B, refraction. And the question number 26 is, which property of light remains unchanged when it enters another medium? So the right answer is option A, frequency. And the question number 27, which light shows maximum scattering in the atmosphere? Right answer is option C, blue. And the question number 28, which physical quantity is the rate of change of momentum? Right answer is option B, force. And next, question number 29, when two bodies collide elastically, which quantity remains constant? Right answer is option A, kinetic energy. And the question number 30, if momentum of a body is doubled, its kinetic energy becomes, the right answer is option B, 4 times. Next, question number 31, what type of collision conserves both momentum and kinetic energy? Right answer is option A, elastic collision. And question number 32, which quantity changes when a force acts on a moving body? The right answer is option B, momentum. And the next question number 33, in which type of collision do two objects stick together after collision? The right answer is option C, perfectly inelastic. Question number 34, which law of motion is based on the concept of momentum? Right answer is option B, second law. Question number 35, a horse pulls a cart with constant speed. What type of work is done by the horse? Right answer is option C, positive work. And next, question number 36, what is the work done when a body moves parallel to the direction of force? The right answer is option D, maximum. And question number 37, which property of a wave changes when it passes from one medium to another? The right answer is option C, velocity. And the next question 38, what happens to the sound wavelength in air when temperature increases? The right answer is option D, increases. And next, question number 39, the apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between source and observer is called, the right answer is option C, Doppler effect. And next, question number 40, what is produced when two waves of slightly different frequencies interferes? The right answer is option B, beats. Next, question number 41, which of the following materials transmits sound fastest? The right answer is option D, steel. And next, question 42, which device is used to measure frequency of sound waves? So that the right answer is option C, sonometer. Next, question number 43, what is the direction of magnetic field inside a current carrying solenoid? So very easy answer. The right answer is option A, along the axis. Question number 44, the device which works on the principle of electromagnetic induction is dead easy. Right answer is option B, transformer. Question number 45, which law is used to find current and voltage in a circuit? The right answer is option A, Ohm's law. Question number 46, which material is commonly used for electric resistance wires? Right answer is option B, nichrome. And the question number 47, which physical quantity remains same in series connection? So the right answer is option A, current. And next, question number 48, which physical quantity remains same in parallel connection? The right answer is option B, voltage. And next, question number 49, Which device is used to protect an electric circuit from overload? Right answer is option B, fuse. And last question 50. Which law relates the angle of incidence and angle of refraction of light? Very dead easy answer. That is option A, Snell's law. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and also share, like, and also comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.